Bafethu, akekho umuntu ozonda i-interview njengoGabza Small. Yabo la phezulu nje ubaleka ini? Ubaleka ukwenza i-interview yangithono no release. Yebo. But I understand mina why most of ama-artists baleka, because bakhona ezinye izinto like abantu abazitshintshayo or babuza imibuzo unnecessary and all those things. But interview ibalekile at the same time, because yenza ukuthi abalandeli bakho baku-understand way better. Uyayibona lento leyo. So izinto ezibalekile nje kakhulu lezo bafethu. But into engayitsho mina kuma-upcoming artist, upcoming artist, if ufuna ukuthi ibrand yakho ikhule and yaziwe, ungabalekela ama-interview. And interview mayifika kuwe, ukwazi ukuphendula into emele iphendule, into angamela ngiyiphendule iphesini nalo ngayiphendule, umtshele nje straight abaleke ngiyiphendule ke leyo. You understand? That way is gonna build your brand. Abantu bakwazi understand music wakho, bakwazi understand ama-lyrics wakho. But oGabza ke bayabaleka, but banama-reasons wabo bebaleka bona. And maybe abasebenzela lento leyo, we don't know. But you see them basesegimini namanje means abasebenzela. The case is out.
Kulman, no, asikhulumi buka. No, Kulman, ngiyasalutha ngiyobingelela. Uthanda buda azoqhawula. Aw, yaphila buda. So ngiyabona usupendile. Bo, ushama khona.
Usangizama
Ah, record isimo. Ushama khona lapha.
Na cha bempenda.
Bopenda. Asiyabonga ukuthi celebrate 67 minutes of Mandela. So ufuna ukuthini nje kubantu be community nabantu abakusupportayo nje mhlambe buda. Yabonga. Ah, kubonga thina buda.